Hi, Emma. Thanks for sending your questions to SnapMath. So the first question we're going to do is the negative 49x squared plus 42x minus 9. Now this you need to recognize is a perfect square trinomial, but we have to do one thing before we actually factor it. So you can never have a negative on the x squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to factor that negative out, and then I'll turn the 49x squared minus 42x plus 9. Now, this is a perfect square trinomial where the square root of 49x squared is 7x. The first sign is a negative, and then the square root of 9 is 3, and it's squared. And a great way to check if you have the right answer is you can do 7x times negative 3 is negative 21x, and then you double that, and you get the middle number, negative 42x. So there's your answer for the first one. Second question is the difference of two squares, and it's a little different. But here I'm going to show you a basic difference of two squares problem. So when you get this problem, we know it's different two squares. So we have the square root of x squared is x. We put that here and here. And then since it's a difference of two squares, we do 1 plus, 1 minus, and then the square root of 9 is 3 and 3. So that's the concept. It's just a little bit more complex with these numbers. So 25x minus 1 squared minus 36. The square root of 25x minus 1 squared is 25x minus 1. And then we're going to do, the first one will be plus the square root, which will be plus 6, and then we'll do 25x minus 1 minus 6. So as you can see how we did plus and minus for this example problem, the plus and minus, I'll draw in red, are right here. Okay? Now we kind of just combine like terms, so this will be 25x plus 5, and then this will be 25x minus 7. All right, and there's one more step. We can factor out a 5 in this first parenthesis, so this will be 5, and then we're left with 5x plus 1, and then 25x minus 7. And that's your final answer. All right, thanks for sending your question to SnapMath, and have a great night.